Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do another weekend vlog of the Project 291. It's just Sharon and I. We're out exploring it. We got a few goals in mind. There's an old abandoned, well actually it's a knockdown barn site. There's an old cabin site. We want to get trail cams. We hope to find an antler shed if we're lucky. Hopefully we can do some hiking off of the main trail. And I might do some clearing, cleaning the real heavy branches with the chainsaw. So I hope you join us for some fresh air and fun. Nothing too exciting, but we'll take you along with us if you want to get some fresh air.
Nice. Oh wow, look at these grapevines.
What?
I need more.
We're not even here 5 minutes and she's
look at it.
pulling vines.
We got room.
I mean, I'm not even off the trailer yet.
We got room in the trailer.
We don't need any more vines, babe. No more vines.
Well,
you could save them here, and then when another trip, maybe we can take them.
well then I'm gonna need your trailer.
All right.
Are you sure?
We'll figure it out. Yeah, not now. Don't put them in the buggy or the truck.
If I bend them?
Nope. All right, so I decided to bring the chainsaw, the electric, and just clear the really gross ones. So we made it quite a ways yet. So Sharon's following me in the buggy, and if I need a break, I'll just take a break. But see how she's doing. For now, we can go up. We got a clear stretch.
All right.
What's that? What's that?
What?
In the front seat where I'm supposed to sit now.
Oh, here?
Yes, there.
Oh, well.
How did you get vines when you were driving the buggy behind me?
Well, I had the window open, and I don't know, they might have fallen in, maybe.
Really?
I'll move them
you
over.
and your vines.
I'll move them over for you.
All right, this is a cross trail, so fingers crossed. I mean, there's fresh tracks right here. Fingers crossed this thing got something. Okay, just a qualifying statement here. You're going to see a nice buck here in the next few frames, but the date is showing like December 13th and December 15th, but when I programmed the camera, I was literally a month behind. So these are actually January 13th and January 15th of 2023.
Think there's any deer on it?
This one's only got 19, so we'll see.
19 squirrels?
Yeah, or who knows? Curtis out here doing showings or whatever. All right. Hitching a ride. Waiting for the next big branch.
So Joe's out there trying to find his trail cams, and I was just going to show you. Here is a dead sassafras tree, very dead, but where all the limbs used to be, they make these really neat holes. However, I am pretty confident there's probably a snake sleeping in there for winter. I think I'd crap my pants if somebody stuck their head out. But we'll let them sleep for a little while yet. It's still January.
All right, so we passed one of the cameras. We got to get on the way back, and I thought this one got stolen. I was almost in panic mode because I was going past my waypoint, but I see it now. Let's see what we got on this one. Oh, it's only got 3? You got to be kidding me. Well, that's not going to have anything. All right, so we saw a trail going off the main one. It's too narrow to take the Polaris, so we're just gonna hike it to the left here, which is south. We've got the big creek several hundred feet down that ridge. And so we're keeping an eye out for sheds, of course, but see where this trail goes. It might just be one of the guys that was hunting it. So we discovered that's the Shawnee over there. So this might have been someone's trail. There might be a stand way back in here, but this is all Shawnee. That's why it looks so different. You got mature woods over here on the government, and you got brush and yuck trees over here. That's because it used to be a field, you know. It used to be farmed many years ago. So we'll just keep poking around in here where it ain't too bad for being too thick.
Somebody's waiting for some dinner.
All right, so I put the drone up at the back of this property. This is a micro plot from one of the previous hunters here. This is literally like one of the only open areas of this whole property. But my goal was to try and find that creek that's down below us where we're standing that I walked to last time, and try to drop the drone down there to get you some footage of that creek, because it's absolutely beautiful. But it didn't work out. I did get kind of close, basically treetop level, so we'll check it out, and then we'll get back to our adventure. Oh yeah, and speaking of trail cams, we had 2 different trail cams on this micro plot because we saw a lot of deer sign. So let's run through those, what's left of the trail cam pics and vids, and then we'll turn around and head back in and check out the pond area probably next. All right, so we made it to the back of the property. The drone video was
kind of a bust, but you can see how beautiful the area is. So we're going to head back towards the front, but there's a couple missions we want to accomplish on our way back out towards the front. So let's turn around, head back, and I'll continue to trim the trail as we go and do some more exploring. Let's check out the pond area next and do a full walk around this pond and pull the trail cam from there also.
Does not appear to have much depth. All right, well.
Nice little pond.
It is pretty cool, yeah.
It's big.
I wonder if it's got a leak though. Oh. All right, we're gonna walk around the pond and just poke around a little. If there's anything interesting, we'll turn you guys back on. All right, and it's getting a little tight in here in the back side. Got a few signs of human activity. Older activity, of course. Oh, here's where the deer are drinking, right up here. The deer and other critters. You see it's all worn right there. A couple more barrels over here. All right, Al, where'd you put this camera? Well, one positive thing is that I got the really severe branches and stuff cleaned up off the road. The old electric saw, so a little productivity actually happened. So we're checking out an old building that Sharon saw here. Not gonna spend a lot of time because we're getting close to being done.
What do you mean? An old silo.
Oh, I thought it was a cabin.
No, it's a silo.
Okay, are you ready yet?